Hi. Telagus can be used to send your marketing emails and to set the campaigns for your contacts. This video is to learn how to set and send the marketing emails from Telagus. First, log into Telagus by entering your registered email address and password. Once the login is successful, click on Marketing from the left menu bar and click on Campaign to go to the campaign, or you can say Email Marketing page. There will be a message displayed on the top left of the page showing your email marketing credits. If you have no credits or less credits for email marketing, you can click on the Purchase button at the top left of the page to go to the Telagus Marketplace and purchase the email marketing credits basis your requirements. A list of all the saved email campaigns will be displayed on the page. You can view the campaign report by clicking on Campaign Reports button. Campaign Report will show the overview chart of all the campaign emails and a list of all the campaigns below it. You can view how many emails are sent, how many receivers have opened it, and how many receivers have clicked on the email. Go back to the campaign list page by clicking on the Back button. Now, to create a new email, click on Create Email button from the top right of the page. It will provide you with two options to select the email type. 1. Select Email Template. 2. Select Plain Email. If you wish to select a predefined template from the list of Telagus templates, you should select option 1, Email Template. And if you do not want any predefined template and want to type an email manually, you should select option 2, Plain Email. We will go with the Email Template. Click on Email Template and click on Create Email button to go ahead. Then you will need to select a template from the list of the templates available on Telagus. These templates are the default templates and you can edit those based on your requirements. You can choose an email template category from the list to get the exact template as per your requirements. From the list of the templates, you can view the preview of the template by clicking on this Preview Template on the template and then select the template by clicking on Select Template from the preview page. Or you can select the template directly by clicking on Select Template button on the template. Once the template is selected, you can start modifying the template and other email options from Telagus. First, rename your email at the top left of the screen by clicking on Edit button and type a new name as per your requirement. The center of the page will display the template you have selected. And you can start modifying the content into the template as per your requirements. You can edit and delete the texts, change the size, font, and color of the texts, make the duplicates of the contents, etc. You can also rearrange the content by simply drag and drop the content at your desired place into the template. Once you click on any of the items from the template, it will show the options to edit on the left side of the layout. You can edit the text, links, content margin, etc. from the left menu. There will be desktop and mobile view options available for the content so that you can easily view and edit the layout and content on the desktop as well as on the mobile. Close the content menu from the Close button on the left menu to close the edit template options. Now let's start adding the content to the template. On the left menu, you will have options to add the content on the template. Click on Content from the left menu to view the content options. You can simply drag and drop the content like columns, headings, text, image, buttons, dividers, HTML code, and menu, etc. The content with green mark on the top of it are the AI-enabled contents. That means you can create AI-based content from it. Let's see an example of adding a header to the template. Drag and drop the header from the content menu to the template. You can either start typing the header manually or you can get AI suggestions by clicking on Get Suggestions button from the left menu. Then just type a few words and click on Get Suggestions to get the suggestions generated by AI. A list of the suggestions will be displayed and you can choose any of them by clicking on the suggestion. You can also choose the font style, color, size, alignment, etc. from the left menu to provide a different look to your content in the template. The same way, you can explore different content from the options displayed on the left portion. Then click on Blocks from the left menu bar to have variety of boxes to be added in the template. You can choose any of the block pattern and simply drag and drop the blocks to the template. and then you can add content to the blocks by clicking on the Add Content button on the blocks from template. The third option from left menu bar is Body Settings. Click on the body to get the settings of general body of the template. You can choose the text color, template background color, content width, content alignment, email and link settings, etc. One more important feature in the email is to set the email tags. You can add tags to your email content to have the data from the system. For more details on the tags, click on Mail Guideline. You can undo or redo any changes by clicking on Undo or Redo button from the bottom right of the page. And you can preview the template by clicking on the Preview button, as well as you can choose the template layout from desktop and mobile by clicking on the icons from bottom right of the page. Once your template is ready, you can save the email campaign by clicking on the Save and Continue button from the top. Then go to the Settings tab and set the fields there. In Assign TO, select your team member's name to whom you want to assign to this campaign. Type a from name, from address, will be default email address registered and verified with Telagus. You can change the email address by typing another verified email address. Then choose Reply to email address. All the replies from the contacts will be received on this email address. Then choose a subject line for the email. And select the preview text for the email. Email type would be marketing by default. And enter any CC or BCC email addresses as per your requirements. Check on Select Signature if you want to add the signature with your email. We will learn how to add the signatures in Telagus in another video. Once all the details are completed, you can send a test email to your or someone else's account by clicking on Send Test Email button. Enter the email address where you want to send the email and click on Send Mail button to send the email. This will provide you the test email, and you can see how your email will look like when it reaches to the contact's email account. We will learn how to use Generate AI content and create or edit funnel in another learning video. You can save the email and redirect to email list by clicking on the button from the top menu bar. It will save your email and the saved email will be displayed in the list. Or you can start sending the emails to your contacts by clicking on Send Email button from the top. Once you click on Send Email button, a list of all your contacts saved in Telagus will be displayed, and you can either select Send to All or select particular records and click on Send to Selected. You can also get your filtered records by applying filters from Assign to, Created Date, Lead Position, and more filters. You can also type in search box to get the search results accordingly. Once you choose to send the email, click on Back button to view the list of the email campaigns. You will also see your recently added email campaign in the list, and you can perform different actions on your email campaign. Clone Email will make a duplicate of your email, and you can rename it and start editing the duplicate so that you don't need to start from the scratch. Send Email will allow you to send the email to your contacts. Edit Email will allow to edit the email you have already saved. Clicking on View Report will show you the report of the email, like how many of the emails are sent, how many are clicked by the users, how many emails are in queue, and how many are viewed. It will also display a list of contact-wise status below the chart to view the email status contact-wise. And you can delete the email if it is no more required by clicking on the Delete button from the email list. You can also view email-wise statistics on the list from column Email Statistics. Please watch our other videos to learn how to use Telagus. Thank you.